Now, Storm Team 11 meteorologist Brian Walter.
Wet weather on the way today. A lot of rain and not a lot of time means flooding concerns for the area. Flash flood watch in effect through tomorrow. It's really tomorrow evening for Northeast Tennessee, Southwest Virginia, and Western North Carolina. The heaviest rainfall is going to be today, but again, note the watch is through tomorrow. That's because river levels, stream levels can still continue to rise even after the rain stops. So a little bit of a delay there. There's some lag in some of those water levels, something to keep in mind. In your neighborhood, rain can stop, but if you live near a river, Nolichucky River especially, we're going to watch today, that water level can keep going up after the rainfall stops. High breezes today, especially in Western North Carolina. Wind advisory there through tomorrow morning. Still some breezy conditions, Northeast Tennessee, Southwest Virginia. I think there's a chance that we could see winds maybe 10 to 20 miles an hour throughout the day today. But rainfall, definitely the big story. Here's Viper radar right now. Some light rain showers beginning to move into the area here in East Tennessee, Sullivan County, Washington County, Carter County, Johnson County, even Unicoi County here, seeing a little bit of rain, a few spot showers there in Southwest Virginia. But it's just what's off to our east that we're concerned about here. All these heavy colors, the yellow, orange, and red, that's heavy rainfall moving west of Greensboro now, moving to the Charlotte area right now and into Greenville, South Carolina. But it's moving northwest toward the Tri-Cities and Southwest Virginia. So give it a few more hours and we're really going to see those rainfall rates increasing. I think that's where we're going to really see that potential for flash flooding to begin, especially because the ground's already saturated in many locations. We had rain yesterday and it's been wet for a little bit of time now. So that's our concern, is the ground saturated, add heavy rain to it, that equals flash flooding. You see a stream of moisture moving back through South Carolina off the coast here. So big rain, big flooding across South Carolina today. The reason, let's look upstairs, the water vapor image here. Don't show this too often, but it really shows the upper flow of the atmosphere, and it shows where dry air is and where moist air is. And we'll start with the features here. We see the spin over Alabama and over Georgia. That's an upper level low. Winds around it counterclockwise, and ahead of it, it's drawing all this moisture from the Atlantic Ocean, from Hurricane Joaquin as well, which, yes, going out to sea, but it's tapping into some of that moisture, drawing it on shore, moving it through the Carolinas, and eventually toward the Tri-Cities and Southwest Virginia. And that's the setup. That's why we're seeing so much rainfall over the next couple of days. Again, 2 to 3 inches, I think, certainly possible in the short term of our forecast. Right now, some light rain in Johnson City. Our general shell sky kind of our cloudy skies. Main Street on the wet side this morning, and heavy rainfall just a couple hours away. Rain likely throughout the day, and it's going to keep us cool. Temperatures in the mid-50s right now. Our daytime highs only in the lower 60s. Here's a high-res radar taking you through the morning into the afternoon. That's 8 o'clock, taking the lunchtime. Again, note the heavy rain moving through. Once we get to the afternoon hours, I think rain chances will be decreasing a little bit, especially late afternoon and evening. Still rain out there, still potential for some heavy rain at times, but note the difference between what we saw at 8 o'clock and noon and maybe 3:30 here heading into the afternoon. Still some showers, but it's going to gradually taper off later today. But I think most of the damage with the heavy rain is going to be probably mid-morning into the early afternoon. That's where we're concerned, at least initially, for some flash flooding, but water levels probably still continuing to rise at this point in time, as some rain showers will be continuing later on this evening and overnight. This is our in-house computer model, just to look at rainfall totals here. According to this model, 1.5 inches to maybe 2 inches, 2.5 inches for a lot of folks in Southwest Virginia, Northeast Tennessee, more in Western North Carolina. I think maybe 2 to 5, possibly even 6 inches here. So we're, again, expecting multiple inches of rainfall. And the problem with North Carolina, again, Nolichucky River flowing west out of North Carolina, watching the Doe River and Watauga River as well. This is the source area for that. So the more rain that falls here, the higher those rivers are going to be. 63s are high today, with rain showers likely at 90% chance. Concerned about flooding. High breezes at times as well. 60 tonight, so not falling back too much in those temperatures, only a few degrees. Scattered showers overnight tonight, but that flooding potential still continues tonight and tomorrow, even as rain chances drop to 50%. Tomorrow, some scattered showers possible. A little bit warmer, high near 70, and we stay in the 70s through the rest of our 7-day forecast. I think we're dry for much of the upcoming work week. 30% rain chance Monday, 20% Friday. But we're not really focusing on that right now. Again, it's the short term. A lot to talk about, a lot going on. Festivals today. Encouraging people to go out, but just if you see flooded roadways, find another way, because you never want to drive through some high water.